Latanya again with my hands and fingers and stuff. Alright, so I just got my make and take mason jar, and this is it. Isn't she lovely? Alright, so of course Pampered Chef. It has measurements here. This is cups. This is 3 cups here. So this has to be all of 4.5 cups. Alright, so it has measurements over here too. So I'm getting ready to make my lunch for tomorrow. Alright, so I'm going to layer in my lettuce at the bottom. Put my lettuce. And then I think I'm going to put in some carrots. I'm not doing this like how you really should do it. I'm just making my salad. And then I'm going to put in some corn. A little loud mouth back there. Some corn, and then I have some cucumbers I'm gonna add. Some cucumbers. What are you doing? Then I'm gonna put in some spinach. So I put some spinach in there. I'm going to top it off with a few tomatoes. And a few black beans. And then in the end, and put my chicken pieces. Alright, and so this is my lunch for tomorrow. And I'm pretty sure I probably won't be able to eat all this. This is a lot. And put my top back on there. And the dressing will go right here. And that's it. I've made my salad in a jar. I'm all ready. Food prep done and check. Alright, thank you guys for joining me and watching. Catch me on the next video. Alright, bye.